Welcome to Calvinson and Math. Let us look at this interesting question. Make x the subject of the formula p over q equals mx minus 2 over nx plus 4. So what we're going to do is just cross multiply. So we're going to have p into nx plus 4 being equal to q into mx minus 2. So we open both brackets. So we have p nx plus 4p equals q mx minus 2q. So remember, what we want to make the subject of the formula is x. So we put the terms with x on one side of the equation. So we have p and x, then we bring q mx to this side, it becomes minus q mx. Then we take the others to the other side. So we have minus 4p minus 2q. So we factor out x because it is common in the left-hand side of this equation. So we have x into pn minus qm, and that is equal to minus 4p minus 2q. So you can see that the rest of this is just to divide both sides of this equation by pn minus qm. So we have pn minus qm. Then we now simplify both sides. So on the right hand side, pn minus qm and pn minus qm will cancel, so that we have x equals, so here we have minus 4p minus 2q all over pn minus qm. So we can simplify this further by factorizing or factoring out negative 2. So that x equals minus 2 into 2p plus q. And that is over p n minus qm. And that's our solution. So thank you for watching. Kindly take 1 second to subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video.